Okay, I have a Schlage 6-pin KIK lock. It does work, very smooth. Okay, this is bidding on the key. Okay, it is locked up. So let's see if we can open it up and take a look at the pins. Okay, let's use top of the keyway. Let's use this pick. Let's go all the way to the back of the lock. Okay, a little bit on pin 6 and 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, there's 5 again. There's 1 again. Okay, see if we can get pin 6 set again. Okay, I believe pin 6 is set. Okay, there's pin 6. Didn't have it completely set. I believe it's set now. Okay, there it is, open on pin 1. Okay, see what we can do with this lock now. See if we can open it up without screwing up the gutting. Okay, get that out of the way. Back up just a little. Okay. Okay, let's look at these pins. Okay, we have all 6 pins in and working. Okay, looks like these pins are all serrated. See what we've got on the plug. Okay, all 5 pin chambers are threaded. Okay, let's check our top pins now. Okay, looks like a serrated pin. We'll look at it real close. Another type of serrated pin. And that one is serrated too, I believe. Pin 4. Pin 5. Pin 6. Get the springs out of this. Let's take a look at the okay, every pin chamber in the plug is also, the Bible is also threaded. So everything's threaded in that Bible. So let's take a close look at the pins. Let's get just a little closer. Alright, we have a spooled number 1 pin, a serrated number 2 pin. This is another serrated type spool. It's a little small on this end. This is a serrated pin. Okay, number 3 and 4. You have a mushroom type spool, serrated key pin, another serrated key pin, another serrated upper pin. 5 and 6. It's another spooled key pin, another serrated key pin, serrated upper pin, and a similar to a ASA pin on number 6. Okay, that's what we have in the Schlage KIK lock. Appreciate your time. Please stay out of trouble. And please do not do anything illegal. And thank you very much. I appreciate it.